Finding the best pool cleaner can make all the difference when it comes to maintaining a sparkling clean pool with minimal effort. With so many options available, it's important to choose a cleaner that suits your pool type and need. In this video, we'll dive into the top contenders, comparing their features, performance, and value so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. Polaris VAC-SWEEP. The Polaris VAC-SWEEP pool cleaner is a top pick for those who want reliable, efficient cleaning at a great value. Powered by a dedicated booster pump, it utilizes dual Venturi jets to deliver powerful suction, cleaning your pool's floor and walls in just 3 hours or less. Whether you have a vinyl, fiberglass, gunite, pebble, or tile pool, the VAC-SWEEP 280 adapts to all surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean. One standout feature is its ability to capture both small and large debris, including leaves, acorns, and pebbles, with a convenient filter bag that prevents debris from clogging your pool's filtration system. This helps prolong the life of your pump and filter. The 31-foot hose and single-chamber filter bag included in the package make setup a breeze. However, it's important to note that the VAC-SWEEP 280 requires a booster pump, which adds extra cost and installation complexity. While it provides efficient cleaning for the price, some newer robotic pool cleaners may offer more advanced features and convenience. Overall, the Polaris VAC-SWEEP 280 is an excellent option for anyone looking to clean their pool quickly and efficiently without breaking the bank. AIPER SCUBA S1. If you're in the market for a top-tier robotic pool cleaner that offers exceptional value, the AIPER SCUBA S1 is the perfect pick. This cordless pool vacuum delivers excellent cleaning performance for in-ground pools up to 1,600 square feet, making it a fantastic option for homeowners looking for a reliable and efficient cleaner. Powered by its upgraded WavePath Navigation 2.0, the SCUBA S1 uses intelligent cleaning paths to minimize overlap and ensure complete coverage of your pool. Whether it's the floor, walls, or waterline, this cleaner has it covered with its powerful suction and dynamic scrubbing capabilities. Plus, its durable caterpillar treads provide superior mobility, allowing the robot to handle drains, steps, and uneven surfaces with ease. With 4 cleaning modes, auto, eco, floor only, and wall only, you can customize your cleaning routine to suit your pool's needs. The Eco mode offers periodic cleaning every 48 hours, making it perfect for maintaining a clean pool without hassle. Backed by a 2-year product protection, the AIPER SCUBA S1 offers peace of mind, ensuring your investment is secure. In terms of performance, durability, and convenience, this robotic cleaner delivers outstanding results at a competitive price. Highly recommended. POOLWHALE Portable Pool Vacuum. If you're looking for an efficient and budget-friendly pool cleaning solution, the POOLWHALE Portable Pool Vacuum Jet Underwater Cleaner is worth considering. This compact yet effective vacuum cleaner operates with water pressure from your garden hose, so no electricity is needed, making it both eco-friendly and convenient for pool owners who need a quick and easy cleaning tool. The POOLWHALE vacuum includes a 56.5-inch pole, a brush, and a debris bag, making it perfect for cleaning the bottom of above-ground pools, hot tubs, ponds, and fountain. The design is simple and easy to assemble, and it provides excellent suction for collecting leaves, dirt, and small debris. One of the standout features of this model is its versatility. It works well for smaller pools, spas, and fountains, and the lack of reliance on electricity makes it hassle-free. However, it's important to note that it requires a minimum pool depth of 60 centimeters for optimal use. For its price, the POOLWHALE vacuum offers great value. While it might not be the best option for large or heavily soiled pools, it's an excellent choice for quick, easy maintenance. With positive user reviews and its affordability, this is a solid pick for any pool owner looking for a manual vacuum option. Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum. The Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum is an excellent choice for pool owners looking for a reliable handheld cleaner without the hassle of cords. Priced at $199.99, this vacuum packs impressive suction power thanks to its advanced P30 motor design, making quick work of leaves, twigs, dirt, and even sand in both in-ground and above-ground pools. One of its standout features is the large debris capture chamber, which reduces the need for frequent emptying. The 10.5-inch wide vacuum head ensures thorough cleaning, while the crevice corner nozzle tackles tough spots like steps and corners. With a lithium-ion battery that provides up to an hour of cleaning, the Pool Blaster Max is perfect for weekly maintenance, though it's not intended for heavy debris removal or pool openings. While it attaches to any standard telescopic pole, sold separately, its ergonomic design ensures easy handheld use, and it's lightweight enough for convenient maneuvering. Though it's not ideal for very large pools due to its battery life and debris capacity, this cordless vacuum offers excellent value for money with its easy operation and efficient cleaning performance. If you're looking for an affordable and effective solution for pool maintenance, the Pool Blaster Max is a solid option. Thumbs up from us. HAYWARD Pro Suction Pool Cleaner. The HAYWARD Pro Suction Pool Cleaner is a top-tier option for those looking for an efficient and cost-effective way to maintain their in-ground gunite pools. This model delivers exceptional cleaning performance, using HAYWARD's patented Smart Drive technology to methodically cover the entire pool, including floors, walls, and coves, ensuring thorough results every time. What makes the Navigator Pro stand out is its ability to operate with your existing filtration system, saving both energy and money. The design ensures that it operates silently, enhancing the peace and quiet of your pool environment. Setup is incredibly easy. Just connect it to the skimmer or suction port in under 10 minutes without needing any tools. The enhanced vacuum wings and skirt contribute to its efficient debris pickup, consistently providing powerful suction to handle everything from leaves to twigs. With a 40-foot hose, it's suitable for larger pools, giving you the flexibility to clean effectively across a wider surface. While it's an excellent tool for regular maintenance, users should be mindful of occasional issues with traction on ledges, and routine upkeep like replacing worn parts will keep it functioning optimally. In short, the HAYWARD Navigator Pro offers a reliable and efficient solution for keeping your pool in top condition, providing great value for its price.